Today I'm going to show you how to upload a picture to Schoology in two different ways. First, I'll show you how to do it using the camera on your laptop, and second, I'll show you how to do it using a picture you took on your phone and sent to your email. Alright, so let's start with the laptop. I am going to go to the search bar right here and type in camera. Boom, here's my camera. I'm going to open it up. So I use the camera to take a clear picture of my work. Notice how you can read everything on my page here. So now I'm going to save it so I can easily find it and upload it on Schoology. So I'm going to right click and I see two things show up, copy and open folder. We're going to go to open folder and this will show us where this picture is located on our computer right now. See how there's a light blue box around the picture, right? So I'm never going to remember that name, right? Look at how long and weird that name is. And it's also in a folder that I don't really, ever really look in. So I'm going to change the name and where it's located so it's easy to find and I can upload it to Schoology really quickly. So I'm going to right click on the picture I just took. First, I'm going to rename it. I'm going to write data table with today's date. Okay. That way I can easily find it and I can easily search for it on my computer. Okay. So now I'm going to put it in a location on my computer that I know and use all the time. I'm going to drag it over to documents. Okay, so I'm going to drag it over to documents. Okay. I forgot I already had a picture with the same name in there. That's why that little bubble popped up. But that won't happen for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to X out of this for now. Now I'm going to go to Schoology. All right, so since I'm the teacher and I made this assessment, I can't see it as you guys would, right? So if this was your screen on Schoology, you would see that there's a blue button that says Upload Files right in the middle. All right, you're going to click on that blue button and it will pull up all the files on your computer. It will look something like this. Now, we know that we saved our picture and put it into documents. So we're going to open up documents and boom, here's our data table picture that we took today. All you're going to do is click on that and it will upload to Schoology. Okay? So that's the first way to upload the picture. The second way is for you guys to take a picture of your work on your phone and send it to your email. So I took a picture and I sent it to my email. I'm going to open it up. It's just a picture of Gigi. So I'm going to right click on the picture and I'm going to go Save as Picture. So notice if I don't click on the picture first and I right click, sometimes the Save Picture option doesn't come up. You want to click on it so you see these like little dotted lines pop up around the picture. So now we're going to click Save As. And now we want to give it a name that makes it easy to find and locate. So I'm going to call this picture to upload with today's date, just so it's easy to find. And I'm going to put it in my documents so it's easy to find as well. Save. So just like before, you guys will see that blue Upload File button. Click on the blue Upload File button. It will bring up all the files on your computer. And we know we just put that picture into My Document. So we're going to open up My Documents. And boom, here it is, picture to upload with today's date. You click on that, it will upload to Schoology, and you should be able to submit it from there.